Hi folks, this is Corey. Hope you're having a good day. I want to talk about adding credibility to your Google business profile. Obviously in the past I've talked a lot about getting Google reviews and how important they are, not only to help you rank higher but also to show people that you're a credible business and push you up and get more clicks. The other way that we do that, sometimes an account is new, they haven't got many Google reviews, it might take a while to get Google reviews. So we will simply go to Google, we'll type in their business name and then reviews, and we'll see what other reviews are out there on the internet. Now in New Zealand, sometimes people have a whole bunch of reviews on Trade Me, maybe on Facebook, maybe if it's overseas it's Yelp. So there's often reviews out there that we can reuse. So what we will do is we'll grab an image, put it up the top of the Google business profile post, then we'll pop a nice basic line like, people love our work, here are some reviews from the internet, and then a link to that source, because it will show up, people will see that, people do want to see reviews, and Google likes it too. So use that tactic, see how it goes, and you can repurpose that again and again as well, because at the end of the day, we want to add credibility to your listing and make sure people know just how good you are and that they can then pick you with some confidence. All right guys, hope that helps. We'll talk soon. Bye.